Where do you live?
I live in Suita City in Osaka. I like Suita because it's convenient to shopping and only 10 minutes to Osaka City.
That's very, very good. And are you from Suita City?
No, I was born in Kobe for 20 years.
20 years. Wow.
Yes.
So did you like living in Kobe?
Yes, I like Kobe because it's a nice town. It's convenient to shopping. There are many shops in town and easy to go to Osaka and Sanomiya, the center of Kobe.
That's very, very good. And what do you do now? Can you tell me your job?
I'm office worker for 8 years, and I work two companies. At first, I talk with customers every day on phone, but now I always do computer, so it's very boring.
It's very boring. So do you want to change jobs?
Yes, I want to talk someone in outside of my company.
Okay. So do you have any plans to change jobs?
Yes, I will quit now company in May, and